Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll be giving you a detailed walkthrough of our WhatsApp bulk SMS service through virtual number. This tool lets you send bulk messages through virtual numbers quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. Here's the dashboard where you'll see a summary of your account. You can check your total credits, the number of campaigns you've created, and today's campaign stats. To send a message, click on Send WhatsApp SMS. This will take you to a new interface box. Enter your message here. You can write an unlimited number of characters and even use multiple languages. All languages are supported. Mobile number box. Paste the mobile numbers you want to send the message to. You can paste lakhs of numbers at once. Number count. This will show the total count of numbers you've entered. Select media type. Choose the type of media you want to attach. You can add images, PDFs, videos, or even multiple files. DP image. Upload a profile picture for your virtual number if you want it to appear with your message. Once everything looks good, click on the Submit button. Your campaign will be processed, and messages will be delivered within 15 to 45 minutes. We have the WhatsApp report section. Click on Campaign-wise report to get detailed delivery reports for your campaigns. Here, you'll find information on the total sent and failed messages, ensuring you stay on top of your campaign performance. In the Settings option, you can update your profile or change your password if needed. And that's a wrap. Remember, the validity of this panel is lifetime, so you can use it as long as you need. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. Visit our website or contact us through the number provided in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.